Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to Homemaking 101. So today's video does not need any introduction from me. These chips are going to speak for themselves. Let's hear them. And they are made with no oil. Before starting the video, I have a request. Do watch the full video as I will be sharing tips so as to get that perfect crunch without burning them. So for making carrot chips, I have taken washed and peeled carrot and also some salt. Now I am going to chop the ends of the carrot and then slice it from the center at an angle. So now I will take my vegetable peeler and just peel the carrot at the same angle. Now you can do this with your knife also if you're confident that the slices will be of the same thickness, and look at the thickness. So I'll just keep on repeating the process until the whole carrot is done. Also, if you have mandolin slicer, you can use it, but I don't have one, so the vegetable peeler ensures that every slice is of the same thickness. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe by pressing the red button and also hit the bell icon so as to get the notification when I upload my new videos. I upload every Wednesday and sometimes I do upload twice a week. And now coming back to my chips, so all the slices are ready. Now I'll just put them or transfer them to the bowl and just sprinkle a little bit of salt. Just keep in mind that if you don't want to season your chips, that's all right. I just like my chips to be seasoned, and a little bit of salt goes a long way here, so don't put excess salt. Just very like a pinch of salt is way enough for the chips. So now I have taken a microwavable safe plate, and one tip is that choose a plate which is very big, the biggest plate you have, which can be put in the microwave. Now I'm going to just place my slices of carrot on the plate, and nothing should overlap. They should be spread out in a uniform layer. So spreading the chips on the plate is a great way to engage your kids in the kitchen as they are home because of summer break. And now my plate is ready with the chips, so I'll put my chips in the microwave for about 3.5 minutes. So now my microwave's power is set at 1200 watts, and you need to adjust the time according to the power of your microwave. Once you will do it, you will get hold of it. So let's check the chips now. They're still undone, so I'll keep them for another 2 minutes and then I will check them again. So after keeping them for a total of 5 minutes, I have removed the plate, and you can see that the chips in the center of the plate have been completely done, but the outside chips, they are still undone. So at this time I'll just take out the center chips. I don't want them to get burned, and I'll keep the rest of the chips in the microwave for around 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, the rest of the chips were also done, and at this point don't keep them for long. Just keep on checking after 30 seconds. They can be done anytime. And there you have it, healthy carrot chips ready to munch on. So now I have already washed and peeled my sweet potato. Then I'm going to cut it from in between. Then I'll use the same technique using my vegetable peeler. Just keep on slicing. And in case of sweet potato, you need to apply a little bit more force so that the slices can be really uniform and nice. And you can see they are all of the same thickness. So I'll just keep on slicing. So all the slices are ready. Now I'll just put them in the bowl and just season them with little bit of salt. You just need a pinch of salt, not more. And if you don't like salt, just skip this step and just mix them well. And afterwards I'm going to do the same thing, just line them on the plate and put them in the microwave. So while I'm placing the slices on the plate, let me share with you something. So in the case of carrot chips, they took a total of 5.5 minutes, and the chips in the center, they were done in 5 minutes. So never keep them for 5 minutes continuously. Keep them for about, like, say 3 minutes, and then check them, and then keep them again for 2 minutes. And just remember that I'm telling you this time for the wattage of my microwave. Yours can be different, so please take care of that. So they are ready to go in the microwave, and I'm gonna heat them for around 2.5 minutes. And after 2.5 minutes I'm going to check them again and then put them back for around 1.5 minutes, and just keep on checking. And so the sweet potato chips, they took a total time of 4.5 minutes to get crispy. And after 4.5 minutes I took the plate, and they look like this. Now at this time, when they are still hot, you might think that they are like bending, they are not that crisp, but let them cool down completely and they will turn crispy and ready for your loved ones to snack on. So for making potato chips, I have taken peeled potato, and rather than taking plain salt, I am taking onion salt here. So rather than dividing it into halves, I'll divide my potato in fourths and do the same thing. But I'm going to do the slices and put them in cold water. So after all the slices are ready, I'm going to put them on the kitchen towel and just dry out the excess moisture in them. So these chips have perfect crunch and seasonings, and they are perfect snack which I and my family can happily munch on. And the good thing is that they are ready in no time. And the best thing is that they are totally oil free. So now I'll transfer my chips or the slices, the potato slices, in the bowl and then season them with the onion salt. So now I will just mix the salt very well, because I know the potato chips are not tasty at all when they are bland, they are not seasoned properly. So after the onion salt is mixed properly, I'll just do the same thing. I'll just line the plate with the slices of potato. I don't want to overlap them. So after that, I'm going to microwave them for about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I'm going to take the plate out, and you will see the chips, they are glued to the plate. So at this point of time, it's very important to just take them off and flip them over. So don't skip this step, otherwise they will just crisp up and they will still stuck to the plate, and at that point of time it will be very hard to take them off the plate. So after flipping all the chips, I'm going to put them again in the microwave for around 2.5 minutes. So the potato chips took around 4.5 minutes to crisp up, and the outer ones took 30 seconds more, and there you have it, the potato chips are ready. Please leave a comment below if you are planning to try any of these chips. I hope you all liked this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to Homemaking 101, and see you in my next video. Bye.